Ho'oponopono. This melodic word holds the essence of an ancient Hawaiian practice deeply rooted in the traditions of the islands. But do you know its origins and the profound message it carries? In the Hawaiian language, Ho'oponopono means to make right or to restore balance. Originally, this was a practice used within families to resolve conflicts, strengthen bonds, and rediscover harmony. Led by a kahuna, a healer, or spiritual guide, family members would gather to express their feelings and seek forgiveness. It was more than a conversation. It was a sacred ceremony of releasing guilt and resentment, making space for peace and unity. Over time, this tradition evolved. In the 1970s, Morna Simeona, a renowned Hawaiian healer, modernized Ho'oponopono, transforming it into a personal practice. She introduced it as a method anyone could use to clear their mind and heal emotional wounds, showing the world that harmony begins within and radiates outward. Ho'oponopono is not just a tool for healing, it's an invitation to take responsibility, embrace gratitude, and cultivate unconditional love. An ancient wisdom that continues to resonate in our modern lives, all encapsulated in 4 simple yet powerful phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Ready to learn more? Stay with us and discover how to bring this practice into your daily life.